Welcome back everyone to Evo Tom's Pokemon Booster Pack opening. Today, I'm going to be opening 3 Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze booster packs from the Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze booster box. So let's get started. So far, I've got 74 cards in the set of Darkness Ablaze, which isn't too bad, but there is about over 200, but we're doing pretty good so far. So, our first pack's gonna be Eternatus. Now, let's hope we get something good in this pack. If you haven't already subscribed yet, feel free to do so, and don't forget to tap the notification bell to get alerts when I post a new video. So it looks like we got Rocket D. So that's good, haven't got him yet. And a white card, that's good. So 4 from the back. I think I'm gonna get Grass type energy. Nah, Fire type, that's still okay. Alright, so our first card's gonna be Combuskin. Not bad. All I need now is Blaziken. Glenwood Tangle. Larion. Rockadee. Galarian Mr. Mime. Electrike. Dino. Persimmon, haven't got him yet. Iselgor Hollow, not bad. And Vikavolt V, that is so cool. That is so awesome. It's so good that I got him too, because he was actually in my party in Ultra Moon. So that's really cool to get him. And for our next pack, we've got, it's coming, Santa Scorch. Let's hope we get something good in this one as well. Let's hope we get like a fire type, like a Blaziken. So I could get like all 3 of them. It looks like we got Grimer. Alright. And another white card, so that's good. So, 4 from the back. I think I'm going to get an electric type. Nah, psychic. That's alright. So, our first card is Carnivine. Big Parasol. Piers. That's a good one. Grimer. Clink. Ducklet. Mareep. And Paris. That's good because I got Parasect. And Starly. Hollow. That's good. And for our last one, Blaziken Reverse Hollow. No way. That is awesome. And to think I was just thinking about it too. That is so cool. Wow. That's pretty awesome. But now it's time for our last pack. And this one's going to be Grimmsnarl. Alright, let's hope we can keep up the momentum We have a good card as well in this one. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to tell your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section as well. So it looks like we've got Cubchoo. And we've also got a green card. That's alright. And 4 from the back. I think I'm gonna get Fire Energy. Let's have a look. Hey, got it right. It's because of that Blaziken. Alright, so first card's gonna be Lunatone. Struggle Gloves. Combuskin. Cubchoo. Rowlet. Jigglypuff. Diglett. That's good because I have Dugtrio. Penpaw. Pinchurchin Hollow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, actually Pinchurchin only has a 5% rate in Sword and Shield trying to catch him. And Klinklang. That's cool because now I've got all 3. But Vikavolt was the best one out of them all. I'm going to be showing off the cards, but I'll only be showing off the holo versions of those cards. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Tap the notification bell to get alerts when I post a new video. Also, check out my Instagram page and check out my last video, links in the description below. And I'll see you Poke fans next time for another Pokemon Booster Pack opening.